welcome back to my channel, Cook with Love with Mary. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my ribeye steaks in the air fryer. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to season it. Let me adjust my camera for you. These are my ribeyes. I got 2 ribeyes here. Okay, so I'm gonna season it with some cracked black pepper. I got my air fryer preheating, so make sure you preheat your air fryer so you won't put it into a cold air fryer. It'll dry it out, so make sure you put it into an air fryer with the a temperature set at 400. I'm gonna do it for 10 minutes because I want mine well done. And then I'm gonna flip it over and here a little sea salt. Okay, and I have some rosemary and butter here. You melt your butter and then you chop you some rosemary and put it in here. Rub the sides down. And then you flip it over and do the same thing to the other side. Okay, my air fryer just went off. Temperature is ready. Let me put some sea salt on this side. Rub it down with your butter and your rosemary. Go all around the side of it. Okay. Now I'm getting ready to put it in my oven. So let me adjust my camera for you. That's my oven here. And then I'm gonna lay this here. Oh, let me see. Well, I can lay it there. And I'm gonna spray my basket down with some olive oil. Let you see what I'm doing. Spray my basket down. And then I'm gonna take my ribeyes and lay it in here like that. Okay, this one ribeyes now. I'm gonna stick it in the oven. And these are kind of thick. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna do like 10 minutes. And it's set at 400 for 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna let that go for a minute and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna flip it over and let you see what I'm doing. Okay, I'm back. Getting ready to take my ribeyes out of this air fryer. I'm gonna bring my camera up. And it stayed to be well done. It stayed 10 minutes on each side. So let me bring it up so you can see me bring my ribeyes out. Ooh, hot. Let me put it right here where you can see my ribeyes. Okay. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna cover it and let it rest for at least 15 minutes. Okay, you see how that looks? It looks good. Okay. Okay. So let me put some parchment paper on it. I'm gonna take some foil and put on there, kind of loosely wrap it like that. So when I come back, my steaks will be rested for at least 15 minutes. And then I'm going to have my baked potato and my string beans, my green beans that I have with that. And I have some compound butter, which really is a butter that I made a day before. And I did a video on there. I'm going to show you how I'm going to put this all together. Okay, I got my ribeye out of the oven, the air fryer, and I let it rest for at least 15 minutes. So I'm gonna get ready to plate it so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so let me adjust my camera. This is my platter that I'm gonna be putting it on. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I got that done. So what I'm gonna be doing now is put my my butter. Now I did a video with this butter, herb butter for my ribeye. You can kind of pull it up and you can get all the ingredients. Let me see. Okay. Now, if you ever want to do the ribeyes in the oven, so you got that recipe well done, which I eat well done because I don't eat the one with the blood in it. I have to eat well done. So let me show you. I'm gonna get my baked potato together. And you could take this herb butter also and put it in your baked potato, which is what I'm gonna do. And you see how it's smoking? It's smoking, yes. Put you some of that herb butter in your baked potato. Okay, and then put you a little of sour cream in there. Okay, I put me a little bit of sour cream in there, along with my herb that I made. Okay. Okay. And that's all gonna go in there with a little salt. I'm gonna put just a little salt in it and some black pepper, fresh cracked black pepper. Just a little salt. Okay, and I have some sauteed vegetables here. It's some bell peppers and fresh onions that I have that I want to put on my steaks. Okay, that looks beautiful. Okay, just drizzle that all around on your steak, a little juice that's left. And I have some garlic toast here. Okay, Alexa, stop. And I have a little butter with rosemary. So I'm gonna drizzle that on top of the steaks. Look how beautiful that looks. Oh, look. Oh, gorgeous. Okay. And I want you to see how beautiful that look. Ribeye in the air fryer. So I'm gonna kind of slice it for you to see. Let you see how tender it is. Start on this end here. And look how that looks. Oh boy, well done, like I like it. Okay, I want you to see it. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. I'm gonna taste a piece of this, just a piece of this. Mmm. That is delicious. So I want you to see that you can cook ribeyes in the air fryer. And it will be juicy and tender. I have my baked potato there. It is delicious. So if you would subscribe to my channel and tell all your friends about it. I'm on Facebook, YouTube. Until next time, bon appetit.